What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another live trading video. Today has been a little bit weird. Markets are moving weird. There was news at 2 p.m. for me and 2:30, which was like 10 minutes ago. So we're just gonna see what happens today. So we are just gonna keep looking. Has been a little bit weird, but nothing much. On NAS there is, let me just check on TradingView. Yeah, on NAS there still is let me actually just see. Yeah, on NAS there is a valid supply up here, so this could be what we are gonna wait for. I do like that. But other than that, I don't see anything. NAS looks like it's coming up to the supply, so I think the supply will be the setup we are going to take. NAS is inside the supply right now. We just gotta see what happens with that. Oh, and on Tuesday I did take a loss of NAS. I took a setup kind of very late in the day and I did lose on it, which is kind of unfortunate. I lost at around $100, pretty sure. Tuesday was a terrible day though. There was like barely any setups. I missed one GJ setup, and I tried to take a NAS setup and I lost, but it's fine. NAS looks like it is going to reverse out of the zone. If there's another wick into NAS, like a wick and lower to rejection like this, I might get an aggressive. Because NAS is looking good right now. Yeah, I'm gonna look for, might even take it now. I'm gonna wait till next candle. I feel like break of this candle is gonna be it though. Break of this candle right here, the one that's tapped and I'm in, or if it comes back into here and starts rejecting, I'm gonna get it. But I feel like it's gonna break this candle and then we're gonna get it. Oh okay, that just happened very fast. Okay, I'm looking for just 1-to-1 right now. It looks like it's at the bottom of this wick. Yeah, that happened really fast. I did miss the initial entry by about 5 pips. It's not good. It's fine. There's a lot of volume in the market right now. There is a valid demand, but I feel like it's going to break through this demand. Oh, there is a demand here. It should mark it up. Broke this high here. Kinda wish I took this aggressive. That would have been such a nice win. Would have been like 24 pip when if I got an aggressive. Break the candle here, what it is. My TP's down here, it's getting close to it. By TP. TP is like less than a pip away. TP got smashed. Pretty much basic 1-to-1. Just the supply setup. Just delete this, disrespectful. But supply setup got a little bit late. It's all good. That was around 20 pips. Yeah, I got in under right through there, around here. Stop was around here, 20 pips, and then just took 1-to-1. Pretty good setup, clean. Just tapped, rejected. Could have gone an aggressive as well, but I don't know, feeling weird about it. But there was also an aggressive setup which you could have taken. I was supposed to get in here and break and stop above, but this just happened really fast and I missed the entry, going around right here, stop above, TP smashed. So that was a clean setup. Let me just see how much I made. For that, I made $97.99, that's pretty much. 97 of that I will put it on screen if I do upload this video. Pretty basic setup. Open, New York Open is in 25 minutes. I'm just gonna chill. I I'm done for today though. I'm not going to take any more setups because that was a clean one. Not going to risk my profits. But yeah, that's pretty much all that happened. Let me just show the setup I took. So it was a pretty basic setup. Let's just go through it. So I came onto the markets around about this candle here. Saw that, I don't know, I didn't see much. I just saw that there was a supply, untapped supply up here, and it was looking great. It broke below here. It broke this low here to make this setup valid. Did push down, breaking this low here, and it just came back in and reversed. Pretty much all that happened. Could have gotten aggressive, gotten inaggressive, taken just 1-to-1, or you could have gone at break and 1-to-1, or I missed that break, but I got in here around about there. Stock was above 20 pips roundabout, and TP did get hit. I hopped on the markets like 20 minutes ago, so that was a very quick setup. I'm done for today. 20 minutes of trading. This did just recover from Tuesday's loss, so I am break even right now. And yeah, just gonna see. I got tomorrow to trade, so tomorrow just gotta see what happens. But I'm done for today.